This is Marshall Curtis. We're here in Tacoma, Washington. I have here a 1965 Lincoln Continental four-door convertible, and this is take two actually. I didn't have it on video mode. Now it is. Hugo is the owner. He's had it for 2 years. He's giving it a frame-on driver restoration, and it has the, what's the size of the motor in it?
I believe it's the 460.
The 460, yes. And the odometer reads 10025. Do you think that's 110,000 miles on it? Okay, he believes this is 110,000 miles on it, which is very low for a car. He's now doing extensive brake work, putting disc brakes all the way around and doing extensive body work in the back end. Now it's not from collision damage, but from rust damage, is it?
No, actually they hit it from the back.
Oh, it is some collision damage.
Yeah.
Now the top was on, this top was on it when he got it, and this is the original paint, which he's going to keep, and it's got some dings and imperfections. He paid $12,000 for it. Now, did you get it from the original owner or from an auction, or?
No, from open sale.
Open sale.
From a different person.
Wonder if you could pop the hood on it again. I didn't have it in video mode then. No, not yet. Oh yes, this has a forward hinged hood on it. I had a 65 T-Bird, and it had a conventional hood on it, and it flew up, dented in the roof. I was going 100 miles an hour, and that was back when I was young. But anyway, this is a 460, still runs, and he doesn't have a battery in it now, and
It's just dead.
it's just dead, but it does run.
Yes.
And does it need any work done on it, or is it fine as it is?
No, it's fine as it is.
And you're going to be
new. Everything's going to get pretty much new covers on it. The valve covers. Pretty much taking out. I'm thinking about taking out the whole engine too, swapping it out for a Coyote engine.
Okay, I want to get it from the other side. Now this originally had a single chamber master cylinder in it,
Yes.
and I think that's on the other side.
Yes.
Now did you? Okay, I can't see that too well. Did you replace the master cylinder already, or is that yet to be replaced?
That's I believe it was getting replaced, but I'm going with the dual.
That's a wise decision, as I
Yeah.
explained in take one. I know what it's like to be on the freeway and have the brakes go out. I mean, the way I figure it is, if you're going to drive an old classic and you have your brakes go out on you, and with a single chamber master cylinder, it's going to ruin it all together.
Yeah, you ain't stopping.
Yeah, safety trumps. I'm a purist, but safety trumps absolute purity of restoration. Oh, that has got okay, well, it's got 3 out of 4 of the soundproofing pads on it. And I remember I locked myself out on my 65 T-Bird once, and the guy from across the street was able to take a coat hanger and get underneath there. Now they make them so they don't have these crowns on them. So, and still yet to do the interior restoration. And when was the last year of the four-door convertibles? That was 1967.
69.
Oh, 69. And how about of the suicide doors?
That was a 69.
69 is the last year for both four-door convertibles and for suicide
Did from
doors.
61 to 69.
Those were the classic years of Lincolns. Well, the generation that came before that, the 58 to 60 Lincolns, that's what Packards would have looked like had they survived. I don't know if you knew that or not.
Those had a different look on them.
Yeah, well, of course they would have had the tombstone grill on them.
Yeah.
But they would have looked like the 58 to 60 Lincolns had Packard been able to survive.
Yeah.
Actually, my friend from Texas.
Okay, well, thank you, Hugo, very much. And
She has a daughter in Belgium. She might stay with me for a little bit, but I gotta warn her.
anything I missed,
Because we're used to this, but this
go ahead and shut the hood now.
she'll be shivering.
And thank you to YouTube. This is Marshall Curtis signing out,
Yeah, my brother
and
works
thanks
for
for watching.